Now most of the screws are in, so now we'll take down the cleats. And over here I've got a 3-inch deck screw, which was used to preliminarily hold up this long cleat until I got the bolts in. We can take out the lag bolts. These are 6-inch lag bolts. And I loosen them up with they're 9/16. But I loosen them up with by hand before I use the drill. Because they're really torqued in pretty good. So they're torqued in by hand. Of course, you have to come in with plaster and fill the holes from the lag bolts, but that's no big deal. Okay, so my cleat. Long cleat. Then I'll take down the short ones and careful here because these are jerked in. These are 6-inch lag bolts too. The way these are made, it's just about a 6-inch block, and then you have to have a washer on there, otherwise it won't freely pivot. And then I've got just another block on here. Okay. That allows it to easily pivot when the weight of the drywall is on the board. That allows you to position the drywall panel easily. And then the main cleat. And this just has another 6-inch lag bolt and a block of wood. And then I have on here a 3-inch deck screw. When I initially put this up, I do it without the lag bolts, and I just use the deck screw to hold it in place, and then I come back in and drill a pilot hole in the joist for the lag bolt using an 1/8-inch bit. I have a long 1/8-inch drill bit. That's all there is to it. So that was fun, and my name is Tom, and you have a good day.